Before understanding website and hosting, we have to understand how internet works. Internet is simply a global network of interconnected devices. They can send and retrieve data among themselves. World Wide Web is a service which helps access the information in the internet. Information in internet is stored, retrieved, and sent by special computers called servers. And to uniquely identify each server or sometimes group of servers, we use IP address, which is short for Internet Protocol Address. Websites are simple lines of text written in very specific programming languages. In most cases, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. And hosting is a place where we save all these files. You can think of hosting your website on a server as renting a home for you to live in.